We gather today to convey our warm congratulations and best wishes to the government and the people of New Zealand on another historic milestone. May I recount here with you the sentiments conveyed by the Honourable Prime Minister Bainimarama in his congratulatory message to the Right Honourable Jacinda Ardern, and I quote, "It gives me great pleasure to congratulate you on the 181st anniversary of the signing of the Treaty of Waitangi. The commemoration of this important event is symbolic of New Zealand's commitment to upholding the principles of partnership, protection, and participation between the New Zealand government and its people. The same principles it espouses internationally, which have witnessed firsthand. The strength of our bilateral relations has been increasingly evident during these unprecedented times, in which the need for closer collaboration and partnership is even more important now. As Fijians recover from tropical cyclone Yasa and Ana, I am grateful for the support that your government has so readily extended, a testament to the solidarity of the Pacific spirit. May I again extend my congratulations to you and the people of New Zealand, and wish you continued peace, progress, and prosperity. And it is with our prayer that the anniversary of the Treaty of Waitangi will inspire us to greater service for our peoples." Unquote. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it is my honor and most pleasant duty this evening, on behalf of His Excellency the President, the Honourable Prime Minister, the government and all Fijians, to extend to the government and the people of New Zealand our utmost appreciation and our best wishes for a memorable and enjoyable Waitangi Day. As I propose a toast for the continued good health, happiness, and prosperity of His Excellency the Governor General, the government, and the people of New Zealand. To New Zealand.